Do you have any sympathy for the restaurants?
Absolutely none. There are no nighttime flights taking off over your house between the hours of midnight to 6:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. And if you're in your bed and your windows are closed, you won't even hear it. The aircraft today are 50% quieter than they were 5 or 10 years ago. It is an utter nonsense. We put a video up on our website. We sent around a noise measuring site to St. Margaret's, to Ballybohol and to Ashbourne. There's less noise with an aircraft directly overhead of those three sites than there is in any of the main roadways in Dublin during the daytime. And they talk, there's a primary school there. The children can't sleep. The children are only in the primary school from 9 o'clock until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They're out playing in the playground and they make more noise than the bloody aircraft overhead. So it's all NIMBY nonsense. You built a house in the environs of Dublin Airport. Dublin Airport's been there since 1942. You either moved to the area or you built a house behind the area. But in any
event, you're saying suck it up.
Suck it up. And in any event, you've now got 2 runways. So if your house is in St. Margaret's, you have 50% fewer flights over your house because of the second runway. The problem is these guys have a disproportionate influence on local county councillors in Fingal, and you have this kind of NIMBYism determining national aviation policy. Dublin is our gateway to an island on the periphery of Europe. We want to continue growing in Dublin. All that growth will take place on much quieter aircraft, but we need the Minister for Transport to be responsible for the growth of airports, not local councils in Fingal or Waterford or Shannon or Cork.